Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. Today I would like to share with you the Zodiac Ox in 2023, which is the year of Water Rabbit. And if you're born in the following period, your Zodiac is an Ox, and you have so many beautiful characteristics. And allow me to use just one word to including the major characteristic. And the terms on my mind is the diligent. Ox is so hardworking and is most probably the most hardworking zodiac among other 12 zodiac. So this is something amazing for Ox. And apart from that, there are also other congenital advantage for Ox. Okay, the first one I want to share with you is a reliable. If you form a team and then in your team there's a zodiac Ox in your team, and if you want him to help you, you let him commit to do something, and then definitely he'll finish the job without any issue, any question. No matter how difficult it is or how tough he need to do it. But don't worry, once he commit to you, he will do that without any question. So this is something good, something you can rely on, which is a really, really good team member. So you need to treasure it. Okay. The second characteristic is a confident. Ox is full of the confidence, especially when he deal with some in his professional, and he have no issue for that one. He will show his charming, his confidence, and then let people to think that hey, he can be trusted. And actually it is, he can be trusted because he got so many good characteristics. Okay, the third one is a well-organized. So Ox is a really systematic person, and he will do all the things according to his schedule. And once he make up the schedule, and he'll finish the job step by step and finally get the job done. So Ox got a really good, well-organized characteristic. Okay, number four. Number four is really good. We know someone will just dream a lot of things, will think a lot of different planning, but never work it out. But for Ox, it's all the way different. Ox will set up really practical planning, practical system and finish it, and then just do it step by step and work the plan out. So no matter how difficult it is, and Ox will always try to analyze it and then separate by different steps and then do it one by one, and at the end work the plan out and get it done. So this is something amazing. Okay, number five. Number five is something really good. Ox is loyal to the company, is loyal to the friendship, is loyal to the family, and more important, loyal to the marriage. So loyalty is one of the main characteristics for Ox. Okay, number six. Number six is honesty. Ox will honest to the company, honest to his friends, to relatives, to the marriage. And this is another good characteristic of Ox. Okay, we mentioned 6 congenital advantage of Ox. Of course, we can still list more advantage for Ox. But right now, I want to share with you is there's some disadvantage, which is we call the congenital one. So that means when Ox born it, then he got this kind of a disadvantage. Okay, the first one is a stubbornness characteristic. When Ox decide to do something, when he make up his mind to do something, it's barely he can change. It's very hard for you to change his mind because he make up the decision and then he will work the plan out. If you want to influence him to change it, maybe there's some difficulty to do that. Okay, the second characteristic is sometimes, not always, Ox will be some subjective. It's not all objective enough. Ox got a really, really good sixth sense, so there's some subjective characteristic inside. Okay, the last one is sometimes Ox can trust people easily, especially when there's some a relationship, and then he just trusts his girlfriend or boyfriend, and finally, which is not working out, or there's some friend betray him, he will really, really hurt. And this is we call the heartbroken characteristic. It's really tough to get rid of this heartbroken stage, and also will have a serious damage inside the bottom of his heart. Okay. The next thing I want to share with you is if you're ox, you need to find a team and then to help you out. Okay, the best team for your business is you need to find snake and find rooster. So those are the good team as your like a business partner. Okay, and if you want to find a girlfriend, boyfriend, find a rat is really good because this is we call the soulmate. And you need to try all your best to stay away from number one, or a goat. Number two is a dog, and then the last one is a horse. So these three zodiac is not really good for us, especially for goat. Okay, and the timing, which is so important for us, here is the good luck timing for us. Every single day from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. are your good luck timing. So anything important, let's say you need to sign a contract or have a really, really important meeting, you can schedule them on your like a good luck timing, and try all your best to stay away from the following bad luck timing, which is every single day from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. and from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Those are not really good timing for you. And in 2023, unfortunately, there's no auspicious start, no one. And on the other hand, there's a 4 inauspicious start, which is 月煞、披頭、吊客 and 天狗. Most of them is not really good, especially they will have some like a health issue, money losing issue. So it's not a really optimistic in 2023. So there will be lots of ups and downs, lots of challenge. So for the overall forecast, because there's no single auspicious start to blessing you, and there's a 4 inauspicious one. So those bad luck one will shining, will have a more influence to your luck. So in this year, you need to be really, really careful, be more like a low profile, be more conservative. Don't try to be enemy to someone, and then try all your best to protect yourself. That will help. Okay, in terms of financial forecast, so for your investment, because this investment climate is not really ideal, so you need to pay attention, watch the market closely, and don't involve in like a really dangerous investment. And be careful for those scam call, investment check, because those people will try to spot you out and then try to steal your money. So be careful and adapt some like a conservative investment strategy will be more suitable for you. Okay, the next thing is for the career forecast. You have a lot of stress, lots of challenge this year, and the most important idea is stay in the job, don't get laid off. And then there also be some like unfair campaign, unfair comments on you. So you need to, sometimes you need to fight for your interest and avoid those unnecessary conflict. That will help. Okay, the next thing is the love forecast. The love energy this year is not really strong. And if someone appear in your life, show up, maybe he or she is not the ideal one. Be careful, but you have a good time, but maybe you can't work it out. And try all your best to protect yourself. That would be good. Okay, the last one is the health forecast. Be careful for there's some like a minor car accident, minor injury, and in terms of if you need to go traveling to some like unsafe location, you need to think twice before you do that. And I wish you really good luck this year. Thanks for watching. Good luck. If you want to learn more about traditional Feng Shui setting and knowledge, I have a book in Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. You can go there, take a look. I put a link down below. And if you want to learn more about current Feng Shui setting and yearly Feng Shui tips, I also have a book for you free of charge. I put a link down below. You're welcome to go there, download it. And thanks for watching. Good luck.